technical difficulty with my screen recording program, and it's only letting me record for 15 minutes at a time. Normally it doesn't. Anyway, so about meeting classes face to face. We will meet in the blue door. There will only meet. Now again, this is the plan that hasn't been officially approved yet, but I'm pretty sure it will. We will meet a maximum of 6 people at a time. Your classes will be, you will meet class at home, and some days you will come to the blue door. If transportation is a problem for you, or if you coming out to campus for just one class doesn't work for you, you don't have to come. I obviously strongly recommend it, but it is possible that you would not have to come to campus. For the Acting for Camera students, we will be meeting with our videographer in person in a very small group. It will just be the videographer, his assistant, me, and you. And we will probably record outside where it's safer, and you will get your videos made. So there is definitely going to be a live component. I should say that for the improv classes, it is likely that they will be all virtual. I don't know about bringing in guest artists during this time of restrictions. Some of that is going to depend on how infection rates go. If they continue to decline, we'll see. But the guest artists I bring in are not official Lane employees, so yeah, I don't know. I did, I'm thinking through this as I'm talking, but I do know that there will be some days that the improv students will meet with me face to face. So there is that. But yeah, no class that you're going to take at Lane is going to be 100% face to face until the fall, hopefully. But for the acting classes, I'm hoping they will be partially face to face. One other thing I wanted to mention real quick was about the Lane Foundation scholarships. If you don't know what this is, please look into it. You go to, let me see if I can move this. You go to lanecc.edu/foundation/scholarships. And I'm not going to walk you through this because I haven't done it, but the foundation is the part of the offices at Lane that does scholarships for students. Their job is to find donors to give them money that they can give to you. I would not be encouraging you to apply for these scholarships if I didn't know that you probably stand a 90% chance of getting some money out of this. The application are due March 2nd. Now, this is for students who will be here next year. So you apply by March 2nd and you're awarded your scholarship for the following year. So this is next school year. So if you're not going to be at Lane, then don't apply for this. But if you are, to be brutally honest, you are just insane not to apply for this. Don't let the application process deter you. If it says something like, oh, to apply for this scholarship, you have to submit an essay. That essay is probably, tell me a little bit about yourself. Seriously, it's that easy. Every time in normal times when we're face to face and I talk about this, I'll ask students in the class to raise their hands if they have ever applied for a scholarship, and a few will raise their hands, and I will say, leave your hands up if the process was easy. They all always leave their hands up, and then I say, leave your hands up if you've gotten any money, and they all leave their hands up. Now, I don't know. I'm not promising you it's going to pay your tuition. It'll be a couple $100. It'll be possibly $1,000. There are different scholarships of different amounts, and depending on who you are, you might qualify for different scholarships. So please do this. They want to give away this money. Thousands upon thousands of dollars goes unawarded every single year. So please apply for these scholarships. All right, that's all I have to say. If you want to get in touch with me, you can find me through your instructor from Tara or Stanley, or you can find me on Facebook through the SPA, or you can email me. And if you don't know how to get in touch with me, I'm sure you do. Anyway, if you have any questions about the acting classes next term, please let me know. at the end of every term, we do what's called acting showcase. And so next term, on that special evening at the end of the term, or Tuesday of week 10, you will have the opportunity to present your scenes and monologues for the public. In Acting for Camera, we will show your beautiful videos, so you do get a chance to perform for the public. So let me know if you have questions. Thanks. Bye.